What's up, guys? Me again. We're going to be continuing on with this little build series I have going on with the black bike here. And if you guys didn't watch the last video, I kind of briefly explained that I'm going to be taking the black bike onto a road trip, so kind of getting it ready for that. Last video we threw on the sissy bar, and today we're going to be installing some more parts onto it. And first up, we have two boxes. We'll get them unboxed and we'll see what's inside. I do already have the smaller box opened up. We'll open the big one for you guys on camera, I guess. In the box, we have a crash bar. So this crash bar will go in the front of the bike. And not only will we be doing the front, we will be doing the rears as well. Get you guys a close-up on these bad boys. Stainless. Matching front and rears, kind of going with the theme. We'll start with the rear here first, and then we'll work our way to the front. Crash bars did come with longer hardware. I'm going to be throwing some Loctite on it so that it won't come off. Pretty comfortable for the passenger. So not only does this serve as a crash bar in the unfortunate event if I lay it down, but it also serves as passenger pegs if someone wants to ride on the back. Now for the front, which is the one I'm really excited for, it's just undoing some bolts, throwing it up there. Also come with longer bolts, and yeah, you guys know the deal. We'll start with these back ones here, holding the, I guess, foot peg mount. 2 bolts on the bottom. Cool. Just lay that down. Now there's one bolt up here holding the brake master. Now for this side, same thing. 2 bolts holding the foot peg mount, and then there's just caps for the other mounting sides will pop off. Way down here. There are 2 caps on the bottom here where the other mounting holes are, and then just one on the other side. We'll get the part should be a little more easier. Just put in the foot control on. Now that we got the foot peg mounted up, we'll just throw the other 2 bolts in here. Of course, some Loctite. Silly me. Apparently I ran out of storage on my SD card. Cleared it really quick, but I didn't record tightening the last 2 bolts. Got it all thrown on. I'll show you guys now. It for this video. I was planning on doing something else, but we'll save that for another video. So we got maybe T-minus 5 or 6 days till my planned trip. Still got a couple more things I want to do to the bike, so we're kind of jamming on this right now. But yeah, we'll stay tuned. We got yeah, like, comment, subscribe, so you don't miss those next couple videos of what we'll be doing next to the bike.